In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve a restricted account on Robinhood and get back to trading smoothly. Whether it's your first time running into account restrictions or you've experienced this before, I'll walk you through each step so you can find the help you need and complete the verification process without stress. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser on your computer and going to robinhood.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Robinhood account using your credentials. Remember, it's best to do this on a secure device to protect your personal information. Now, if your account is restricted, which you'll typically notice from a clear notification or banner on your dashboard, don't worry. Restrictions can happen for several reasons, such as needing to verify your identity or provide updated documentation. To address the restriction, look towards the top right corner of the site and click on the Account tab. From there, select Help and then choose Help Center. The Help Center is Robinhood's online resource for troubleshooting any issues you might encounter. Here, you can type into the search bar at the top something like account restrictions to find helpful articles and direct assistance. Populating the search with your query should bring up relevant topics that might even solve your question right away by showing common causes and solutions for restrictions. But if you still have questions after reviewing their help articles, don't worry. Just scroll down to the bottom of the Help Center page where you'll see an option to contact Robinhood support. Click on that to access Robinhood's direct support system. Next up, you'll see a button for contact support. Go ahead and click that. This will typically bring up a form or prompt detailing exactly what documentation Robinhood needs from you to lift the restriction. Depending on their requirements, you'll usually be asked to upload a valid form of ID, a recent selfie to match your identification, or sometimes bank documents if there are questions about funding sources or transactions. Take your time to gather clear, legible copies or photos of the documents requested. Double-check everything for accuracy before submitting. To avoid further delays, make sure your name and info on the documents match what's on your account. After you've submitted all the required documents and information, all that's left to do is wait. Robinhood will review your case, and once they've successfully verified your identity and information, the account restrictions should be lifted automatically. You'll typically receive an email notification confirming that your account is back in good standing and fully functional. And that's it. By following these steps, you can resolve most account restriction issues efficiently and get back to using Robinhood as usual. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out to Robinhood support directly if you need any extra help along the way.